welcome back to my channel Learn Fluency. So, how are you all doing? So, today we will cover a small topic. Actually, we'll begin the topic which is known as adjective. Adjective is a very simple topic which starts from class 3, but today I will explain you the adjective which is a part of class 4 and class 5. Okay? Now, in order to know about adjectives, we have to know what are adjectives. Okay, now, so here is the definition about what are adjectives. Simply, adjectives are words that describes, identify, or further define a noun or a pronoun. Now, this is a bookish definition to what is adjective. If I tell you in simple word, adjective होता क्या है? Adjective वो words होता है जो noun के बारे में बताता है. Noun कैसा है, खासियत क्या है, बुराइयाँ क्या हैं उनके, क्वांटिटी कितने हैं, ठीक है ना. ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स एडजेक्टिव बताता है. नाउन के बारे में जो वर्ड कुछ बताता है दैट इज नोन एज एडजेक्टिव्स. सिंपल एज दैट. Now, if your teacher, if they ask for the definition, you may copy this definition. And if you want to understand what is adjective, then we can move on with this class. Now, adjectives, there are various types of adjectives. There are around 6 adjectives. The first one is adjective of quality, second one is adjective of quantity, third adjective of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and last but not the least interrogative adjective. Okay, now what my major point is that every adjective has a certain way of understanding and finding out in your examination. Now, what can your teacher ask from this chapter? The teacher may ask you to simply find the adjective. First of all, you are simple to simple dega, they'll ask you to find the adjective. And if they go to the next level, that is like they may ask you, you have to find the adjective as well as you need to find out what kind of adjective. Okay, now these are the two types of questions that you may get. Okay ना, but I'm damn sure that this too will come as a combo in your examination. भैया आपको बताना भी कि adjective कौन सा है यहाँ पर और आपको बताना कि कौन सा प्रकार का है, what type of adjective is it, so that you're not doing a guesswork. Guesswork मैं करने को उम्मीद छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Why? Because I'll tell you each and every rule how to know about each and every adjective. Now today in this class, I want to make it a very short class because it is an introduction class. I'll only deal with the adjective of quality. Now, adjective of quality क्या होता है? What is adjective of quality? So first of all, we have to know what is adjective. Adjective वो word होता है जो noun के बारे में बताता है. It describes a noun. It tells about the noun. अब वो quality बताता है noun का. Quality. Now, I'll keep it very simple. You may have various variations of it in the books, different books. I'll tell quality can be good quality or a bad quality. ठीक है, और a describing quality. क्वालिटी गुड भी हो सकता है, क्वालिटी बैड भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. नाउ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी मतलब क्या? कोई आपसे पूछेगा व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी, देन यू मे से दैट देखो भाई, इफ समबडी इज आस्किंग मी अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव क्वालिटी, बेसिकली मीन्स दैट वो नाउन का द खासियत बता रहा है. अ गुड थिंग ही इज टॉकिंग और शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द नाउन और द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन अबाउट इट इन द सेंटेंस, और अ बैड थिंग इट इज गिवन. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ डू वी फाइंड इट? There's a formula. This formulage will help you in making sure that your adjective which you're going to take out is correct. Now, first and foremost, if you are about to find the adjective, you have to know the noun. अगर आपको noun पता है तो ही adjective मिल पाएगा आपको. अगर आपको noun नहीं पता तो adjective नहीं मिल पाएगा. So in order to find the adjective, whichever adjective, maybe there are 6 types of adjective which I have already told out here. It can be any one of them, but for that you have to know the noun. पहले noun ढूंढो, noun से सवाल पूछो. We'll ask a certain question. For adjective quality, I'll ask you a certain question. For quantity, I'll ask you a different question. For number, different. It will go on. So हर एक type के लिए अलग अलग questions है आपके पास. So for this thing, For adjective of quality we have what kind plus the noun. Now noun के ऊपर I have given a dash. Why is there a dash out here? The simple reason to it is that the noun will differ in every case, but this what kind will remain always. Now many of you will have a comment, भाई ये formula कहाँ काम आता है, how do we utilize that? ठीक है ना. First of all, this what kind, the question what kind plus noun is used only for adjective of quality and nothing else. You will not use for adjective of quantity, you will not use it for adjective of number. Quality के लिए है तो it will be used for only quality and nothing else. Am I clear to this? Now I'll go through few examples. Okay, now the first example says the hot sun burnt our skin. Now that's the way I teach my students as a to the basic level. I'll start with y'all also that okay, the hot sun burnt our skin. The first question पूछो भैया noun क्या है, ये sentence में noun क्या है. Hot sun burnt our skin. So over here sun is the noun. तो बोल दीजिएगा अपना, tell your students that okay, write noun as sun. Okay, now done. Now we go on to the formula. First step, in order to find the adjective, find the noun. Noun हम लोग को मिल गया. फिर noun you have got it and half the thing is over. Now we have to say what kind. So we'll just write the formula. For first few cases you can tell your students to write the formula, but in your examination tell your students to do it in your mind, in their mind. Okay, so what kind plus noun. Now noun, what was the noun? The noun was sun. Now this sentence, this question is not appropriately correct. You don't have to worry about that. So you will not get marks for this question. With this help of this abrupt question, you will get the answer to it. अगर ये सवाल का जवाब, इस सवाल का, दिस क्वेश्चन का जवाब इस सेंटेंस में है, जो जवाब रहेगा वही आपका एडजेक्टिव होगा. तो व्हाट काइंड सन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सन, सन कौन सा प्रकार का है, सन कौन सा प्रकार का है, हॉट है. सो वो ये एडजेक्टिव इज हॉट. And since we are utilizing this formula and this formula belongs to adjective of quality, that is hot is a part of adjective of quality. Okay, this whatever I have written out here, this sun, noun, all these things you may exclude it. This all things can be done in your mind, but since I'm taking the first class, so I'm just writing the formula, everything out here, so that you may get the answer as to what is the adjective of quality. Now we move on to the second example. Please copy this question and try to get your answer. We'll move forward. It says a huge car stopped outside my house. A huge car stopped outside my house. So first of all, what we have to find? We have to find that where is the noun? What is the noun? Where and what is the noun? भैया ढूंढो कहाँ है, अगर मिल गया तो क्या है noun? Tell me what is the noun. तो over here I see that noun is a car out here. So हम लोगों को noun मिल गया, car. Now please pause the video and use the above formula to find out the adjective of quality. If you have found out the wrong noun, my dear, you will never get the adjective. Noun को ठीक से ढूंढिएगा तो आपको मिल जाएगा आपका आंसर. Now we'll write what kind plus dash noun. As I told you, I am putting a dash out here because noun is changing in every particular sentence. So in this case, noun is car. So now ask yourself कि भैया what kind of noun? Noun is your car. So what kind of car? कार के बारे में क्या बताया जा रहा है, अच्छा या बुरा है, क्या बताया, दिस इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द कार, राइट. क्या बताया जा रहा है, ह्यूज बताया जा रहा है. सो ओवर हियर द कार इज ह्यूज. तो व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इट? द कार्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज दैट द कार इज ह्यूज. सो ओवर हियर योर एडजेक्टिव बिकम्स ह्यूज. सिंपल. यहाँ पर तुम्हारा सन का खासियत क्या था, व्हाट वाज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द सन? दैट इट वाज हॉट. ओवर हियर कार्स characteristic is that it is huge. Okay. Now the last example for this class, we sat in the open veranda and sipped hot tea from blue cups. Now, first of all, the clarification which I want to make, which many of my students ask is, sir, adjective क्या एक ही हो सकता है sentence में? No. It is not mandatory or compulsory that you will find only one adjective. Don't be stupid out here. Give a logical reasoning to it. Find the nouns. अगर 3 तो noun है तो 3 तो adjective भी होगा. Over here we see, now I will not tell you question क्या होता है भैया, noun ढूंढो. और in this case nouns ढूंढो because I'll say noun only. Okay, noun ढूंढो. Find the noun. Question says find the noun. Now veranda is the noun. We have tea as the noun and cups as the noun. Okay, now we have 3. This is number 1 noun, this is number 2 noun, and this is number 3. We sat in the open veranda and sipped hot tea from blue cups. Now ask questions. Okay, now I'm telling you once again, if the question has adjective of qualitative, this sentence, this formula will not work. To this I'll explain in the next class, but since we are talking about only adjective of quality, to put the formula and get the answer. So what kind plus noun. Now since there are 3 noun, first we'll put veranda. So it was an open veranda. क्या characteristic है, वो खुला हुआ था. So over here first adjective is open. Now if we just rub this out and put in the second noun, which was tea. What kind of tea? It was a hot tea. The second adjective over here comes hot. So we have used the first one and the second one. We go on to the third noun, which is cups. What kind of cups? The characteristic, basically the color has given to you. Anything, any information related to that noun is the adjective. Here the cup is being described by its color. Tea is being described by its temperature. Right? So in that way. So the third adjective out here is blue. So this is the way you will find out adjective of quality. Now your teacher may tell you, okay, भैया adjective ढूंढना है, noun नहीं ढूंढना. तो over here in this every cases of mine, you must have seen that I'm marking the noun. This is only for the explanation purpose. आप भी कर सकते हो, but while framing the answer, please make sure that you are not putting the noun. For example, I'll just show you how to represent this answer in your copy. Okay, for your school copy. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, now for example, this is a sentence given to you. Now all the rough work you have to do it in your mind. But they will not ask you for the reasons. Why are we utilizing this? Why are we utilizing that? They are not going to ask that. So the hot sun burnt our skin, that is the question. So you simply write, either they'll tell you to underline the adjective or they'll tell you to circle the adjective. I'll prefer, because I've already underlined the noun, I'll prefer you to circle the adjective. So I'll circle this. Okay. And then with your pencil or a pen, you may write it out here. Adjective of quality equals to hot. Or if you don't want to put this, just put an arrow out here like this. Adjective of quality, hot. That's it. You don't have to write the questions, don't have to write the formula, just mention this. This part is more than enough for you to get the full marks. At times, this is only required if they're asking you for the quality, like which type is it. Okay, now. So this was the first type of adjective which I've already made you understood. So I hope so that you have understood this concept of adjective, the first part of it, the adjective of quality. And in my next class, I'll deal with you the next 3 adjectives, which is quantity, number, and demonstrative adjective. Because quantity and number, they are almost similar. So I left it for the second class of it. And the last class will be on possessive adjectives and interrogative adjective. Okay. So with these 3 examples, I hope so that you have understood the concept of adjective of quality. Thank you so much once again for watching my videos. Please like, share, subscribe if you're learning something which you haven't learned it earlier. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care. This is Vichi sir signing off. Until next time.